Here's how to pay bills in Xero, step by step. Start at the top menu in Xero, click Purchases, then select Bills. This opens the Bills page where you can view the bills that have been entered into your account. On this screen, look through the list and find the bill you want to pay. Once you have located it, open the bill so you can work from the full bill details rather than the list view. With the bill open, move down the page until you reach the Make a Payment section near the bottom. This is where Xero records the payment against the bill and updates the bill status. If you do not see it right away, keep scrolling until the full payment area is visible. Now enter the payment details. Start with the amount paid field. Confirm that the amount shown is correct for the payment you are recording. If needed, edit the value so it matches the amount that was actually paid. This matters if you are entering a partial payment or if the amount needs to be adjusted before saving. Next, select the date paid. Choose the date that reflects when the payment was made. This date will be used in your records, so make sure it matches the payment timing you want shown in Xero. After that, choose the bank account in the Paid From field. Select the account the money came from. Take a moment here to make sure you pick the correct bank account before continuing, since this connects the payment to that account in your records. If you need to include extra payment information, you can add it at this stage. Enter a reference if one applies to the payment. This can help identify the transaction later when you review your records. If the payment was made by check, select the Pay by Check option instead. Only use these fields when they apply to the payment you are entering. Once all the required details have been completed, review the information on the bill one more time. Check the amount, the payment date, and the bank account selection so the recorded payment matches the transaction you want to save. When everything looks correct, click Record Payment. After you record the payment, Xero saves it against the bill automatically. The bill status then updates to Paid, which confirms that the bill has been settled in your records. If you return to the Bills page later, you will see that updated status there as well, which helps keep your purchases and payment history current and accurate inside the account. The bill payment has now been recorded in Xero and the bill status is now paid.